As you plan your IVF journey, there will be many different types of IVF that will be discussed. In vitro fertilization is a tool where eggs and sperm get together so that we can create embryos that can move forward to be placed into a uterus to create a child. But there are different pathways that you can take to get there, all under the umbrella of IVF. Traditional IVF is when eggs are retrieved, mixed with sperm in a dish, placed in an incubator in the lab, and then embryos are brought out of that incubator to be placed into the uterus. IVF with ICSI just involves the sperm being injected directly into the egg. Still, traditional IVF would use an incubator. IVF with ICSI and preimplantation genetic screening is IVF to get eggs and sperm together, but then gaining access to the embryo to biopsy that embryo for testing and then freeze the embryo until we have the testing results. IVF with INVOcell is different from traditional IVF, where eggs and sperm are going into the incubator. In this case, with INVOcell, eggs and sperm are being placed into a device that is placed into the vagina for incubation until it is removed and embryos are identified to be able to be transferred. All of these are IVF, and there are so many pathways that you can go through for IVF that we have individual videos for ICSI, for INVOcell, for traditional IVF. Take a look at the one that applies to you. We will have detailed counseling along this pathway that will indicate which pathway is the right pathway for you to proceed upon towards your family.